You guys hear a knock? Look at that.
How are you?
Mr. Send It Steve.
Holy smokes. Man, another one.
Another one, yeah.
Another one.
Another nice one.
That one is nice, actually.
It's pretty
Like,
sweet.
the one you got off me definitely was not this nice.
Yeah, I mean, this is extreme, so.
Yeah. Well, two different trucks. Mine was a Sonoma. I don't know if you guys remember or not, but he was the gentleman that bought the Sonoma off me back in, what was that, 3 months now?
Probably.
Yeah, about 3 months ago.
Yeah.
So
Been using it ever since,
he
too.
loves these things. Now, the main reason I'm here and to show you guys is just the extreme build that he is doing on, this is going to be another extreme, correct?
Yes.
On another frame off restoration.
LS Extreme.
LS Extreme.
That's it.
Yeah. Man.
I'm
I
not,
mean,
not original to that name, but we're definitely claiming it.
yeah. If you guys don't know, you got to go follow his channel. On Instagram, it's Slow Restoration. The attention to detail here is just insane. I mean, you literally pulled the frame
Oh, yeah.
off.
Bare frame, sandblasted it, epoxy primer, paint, and then every little nut bolt clip, even like, you know, this stuff. We pulled it all out, glass beaded it, painted it.
Wow. I mean, the attention to detail on this truck is going to be phenomenal. Isn't the cab for this truck, but
Right, that's the original Extreme cab, but it does have some rust in it. So we have the cab that came off this frame, which was in really nice shape, until the tire blew. That was the burnout truck.
yeah, you definitely have to check out his channel. He's been doing some crazy things. Like, as you can tell, he's doing a frame off restoration. You custom made the exhaust cutouts on the tunnel here for the transmission,
Yeah,
correct?
yeah.
Right, the cross member, I'm sorry. Like, you definitely have some time in this.
Yep, there's definitely some time.
You're crazy.
Yep,
You're insane.
I hear that a lot now.
Definitely.
But
Every time you post something that you're doing, it just is mind blowing to me. Like, I would never. You guys all know me. I would never take the time to do what he's doing here, and it's insane.
But you gotta admit you want to, Steve.
Maybe.
Not on
Trans Am,
an
yes.
S10.
Yeah, I would never do it on an S10. We've already talked about this. I would never,
Nobody would do it on an S10.
Yeah, I would personally never do it on an S10. An S10 is not mine, just because unless you have sentimental value, I would never go this in detail with a car. You know, like, or if I was building, you know, a 69 Camaro or 68, 67, you know, something like that, I would spend the time to do this. But an S10 to me is that over there. I mean, that's a good looking truck.
Right. Yeah.
Like, that's already a good looking truck. I would have just LS swapped that and been done.
Yeah, that might be an option.
Later project down the road.
Definitely. That
For
truck's
sure.
definitely nice enough that we can just pull that motor and trans out and LS swap it and be good.
Now that has a blown engine.
It does.
correct? So you got that fairly cheap.
Sure.
Yeah. He is a thing for S10, so I know he didn't just go out there and buy that because he wanted it, right?
No, I want.
Okay, so he might have overpaid a little bit.
No. We got it. We got it a good
Yeah.
deal. Yeah.
Well, you guys will definitely have to check out his channel to see what he does with this. I'm actually excited about it. I do love S10 Extremes. A buddy of mine had one in high school, and it was just a fun truck to drive. It was actually a 5-speed.
Was it
Yeah, until he wrecked it around the pole.
4.3 or
No, it was a 2.2.
2.2?
Yeah,
Yeah.
2.2. Yeah.
This was actually a 4.3 stick shift.
Oh, really?
5-speed, yeah, which
Wow.
probably is kind of
I
rare.
was gonna say they're harder to find
Yeah.
in the 4.3s, but
And had the 8.5-inch 10 bolt.
wow. So there's the bed and the wiring harness and everything like that. I see you even cleaned that up.
That's new. That's the
Oh, that is brand new.
current performance
I was
wiring.
gonna say,
Yeah.
that looks all pretty
Yeah.
clean. I was looking at the connectors up here. I'm like, man.
That's actually the adapter harness for an LS. You plug in your factory S10 wiring harness and it makes everything work.
Gotcha.
ABS, gauges, ignition switch, fuel pump.
Gotcha.
Pretty
well,
neat.
I'm excited for you to finish it.
Yeah.
And
I'm excited to finish it.
I know. I don't know if you want me to say, but I know you said this is gonna be ready for Motorama.
Yep.
You
That's the
realize
plan.
that's
3
3
weeks.
weeks away.
Yeah. I've been reminded that several times.
Definitely. Well, good luck. Yeah.
Yeah, we may need. All right, so everyone's been wondering what color we're going to paint this S10.
Why did this show up again? Hold on, we got
Steve's having technical issues.
Technical.
Technically, it's not his GoPro,
Yeah,
so it's
not
okay.
mine, that's firework. I know what it was. You did your side thing, so I'm not used to that. So when I hit it, it wasn't ready.
Yeah,
so.
you never use yours correctly.
No, yeah, I just push the top button, I'm ready, and I turn it right back off.
All right, so everyone's been asking what color the project LS Extreme out there is going to be. And Steve here is going to do the
We're gonna give it
reveal.
away.
So here's
Gonna
the
give it away.
screwdriver. Here's
Oh,
the
man.
paint.
I'm a little nervous. Which one are we gonna do? This one?
Yep.
All right. Well, I'm right-handed, so I can't use my left. Otherwise, it's gonna look like I'm like crippled.
Which isn't a far
Yeah.
drive.
Mentally, I'm crippled. Oh.
Let
You
me
must
help
be
you.
left-handed.
Nope.
No.
I'm
The
just
anticipation's killing me. I mean, mentally, I already know what it is, but the viewers don't.
How do you know?
I don't actually. It's just a joke. Yeah.
All right. It's
All
a
right,
big
guys.
moment.
Are you ready? Are you ready? We might have given away already.
They should have been able to figure it out.
If you know Danny, you know he loves
Colors. Bright
man,
colors.
Bright colors. So
Yeah.
it is gonna go Krypton green.
Yes.
That's a
Krypton
solid
green.
choice.
Yeah.
I like it. It'll look good next to this car in here. Unless you're gonna sell this car.
This car is for sale.
It is for sale.
If you're interested in this car, let me know. Let Steve know.
Send us an email. Send him an email. I'll put his information down below. But there you have it. S10 Extreme or LS Extreme is gonna be Krypton green.
Definitely.
Awesome.